Rainbow dust. The Moth Snowstorm. And In Pursuit of Butterflies Review. 3 Tributes to the Humble Lepidoptera, Part 2. Rainbow dust tells the rich story of the cultural evolution of butterflies. The Georgian enthusiasts who first named species were not scientists but artists and poets who romantically arranged their collections in kaleidoscopic patterns, prefiguring Damien Hirst's butterfly pieces. In the 19th century, a passion for butterflies was taken up by amateur scientists who collected on an industrial scale and displayed their finds with mathematical precision. Sir Walter Rothschild represented the apotheosis of the Victorian and Edwardian mania for collecting. His niece, Miriam Rothschild, an eminent naturalist, described how 6 feet 3 in, 22 stone Uncle Walter would bowl across the marble hall of his home, breathing heavily, like a grand piano on casters. He claimed there were no duplicates among his 2.25 million butterflies and moths. To him, the world's largest collection was the bare minimum necessary, observes Marin. Another Victorian collector once travelled to the Isle of Wight to catch 800 of the very rare pale clouded yellow, a species that also appears on the dust jacket of the collector. The debut novel by John Fowles that helped to push collectors towards extinction. This claustrophobic thriller about a loner who graduates from imprisoning beautiful butterflies to kidnapping a young woman was published in 1963. 1963, Philip Larkin also wrote, "The Case of Butterflies So Rich It Looks as if all summer settled there and died." So collecting began to be condemned. Marin does not want to bring it back but quietly argues for a less judgmental view. It was farmers, foresters and urban planners who caused butterflies to disappear, not collectors. And today, old collections produce new science providing evidence of climate change, for instance. But Marin worries about conservationists identifying uses for butterflies. As 17th-century enthusiast John Ray wrote, "You ask what is the use of butterflies? I reply to adorn the world and delight the eyes of men, to brighten the countryside like so many golden jewels."